Today I'm gonna unbox four new plants. One is one I've never heard of before, called a Shamrock Plant. I don't know too much about it because, like I said, I've never heard of it before. We ordered it from Walmart, so let's check this plant out. Give me a few minutes to unwrap it. This is what it looks like. And it comes with a care card. And the care card doesn't give you much details about it, except that it is an Alexis triangulus, but a shamrock plant. And here's the card. I'll have to check the plant helpers online to see what they say about it, because I don't know too much about it, because like I said, it's a plant I've never heard of before. And the next one I have are they're holiday cactuses, but I don't know which cactus is which. They're supposed to be Thanksgiving, Easter, and Christmas. But I don't know which one is which, because they didn't mark them. And this one looks like is Christmas. You can tell by the leaves that this one's the Christmas cactus. I'm not sure what color the flower's going to be, but this is the Christmas cactus. Okay, the next one. Don't know what it's going to be either. You're seeing them the first time like I am. And this one, I'm not really sure. But it also looks like a Christmas cactus. Maybe not. No, this one's a Thanksgiving cactus because the leaves are different. So it has almost the same kind of leaves, only they're skinnier than the Christmas one. But it could also be the Easter one, because I've never seen the Easter one before. So this one could also be the Easter one. It's not marked, so I don't know, but I'm going to say it might be the Easter one because it's starting to bloom. Okay, here's the third one. And this one looks like it could be the Thanksgiving cactus. It's a lot like the Easter and the Christmas one, but it's a little different because the leaves are skinnier than the other two. See, these are a lot skinnier than the Christmas one and the looks like the Easter one. And there you have it. 3 holiday cactuses for any holiday you want. Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Easter, as well as St. Patrick's Day. I hope you liked my video. Have a great day, and if you liked it, please subscribe. Have a nice night. Thank you.